Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel. My name is Saviola and I'm a member of the Gats family. I'm the queen of the Gats family. We film from Florida in the USA. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, if you are new, as I said, we want to welcome you into the family. Please click the subscribe button so that you join the family. Then turn on your notification bell so you get more videos as we upload. So today's video is about diaper cake. There's this sister of mine who's going to be having a baby shower this weekend, and I want to make something creative for her, so I'll be making this diaper cake. And I said, let me show you guys in case you want to make it for a friend, or you just want to make it. So let me show you guys how to make it. So guys, for this project we'll be using this cake stand, and I have my diapers here, so I'll be showing you everything I'll be using for this project as we go on. So let's get right into the project. So this is the cake pan, so I'll be setting this aside. Then these are the bowls I'll be using to make it round. So this will be the first layer, the second layer, and this will be the third layer. So this is the diaper. This is size 1. Can you see that? Size 1. So I'll be opening this up. So I don't want this to scatter because this will make this really beautiful. So I'll just put it that way. Then I'll take the first. This will be my first layer. So this is what I'll do. I'll just do it this way. See this, guys? So I'll try to turn it on. This is very simple. So there are many ways you can get this done, but I think this is the simplest. Some people do this. They will fold this like this and tie with something, and they'll start arranging it into the cake pan, into the cake stand. But I think this is the best way for me to do this. So I think it's forming. So yeah, I think this is okay. This plastic is actually for the microwave, so I said this is perfect for me. So I need to get let's see, excuse me guys, I have some rubber bands, so I just get one like this, the white one. I think this should be perfect. So this is it. I'll carry my cake stand, and I'll just flip this over into the cake stand. Yeah. So our first layer is ready. First layer is ready. So guys, can you see that? So this is our first layer. So this is it. So this cake stand is also made by me. So this cake stand, I made it. So watch out for the video. If you are yet to turn on your notification bell, go ahead and do so, so that when this is being uploaded, you get to see it. So I just under the spin. So let me go ahead and make you look at the best room. So this is the third layer. That's the first layer, second layer, and the third one. So it's good this way, because if it falls, we know that there's something to hold them together. That's why I'm putting the headband, so which can also be useful for the baby. So I think, so this is it. First layer, second layer, third layer. This is beautiful. I'll be adding the remaining three, just folded it. So to the top. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it beautiful? Yay! Gorgeous. So I'll finish. So guys, I added so many other things to just make it more beautiful, and I think it's okay. Then this is it. I finished it up in the night as usual. So this is the final look. It's beautiful and simple. So that's all about the video. Let me know in the comment section if you've been trying this out, and please tag me on Instagram. Thank you so much. So guys, that is the diaper cake, and I hope you enjoy watching this video as I enjoy making it. And I also hope the sister I'm going to be giving this will also appreciate it and like it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to our channel. Subscribe please, share with your friends, make this ministry move forward. Then leave me your thoughts. Do you like it? Will you make something like this for a friend, for a sister, for a family? Let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching guys. I really do appreciate it. For our returning subscribers, you are absolutely, I don't know the English to qualify you guys. You are so awesome. You're absolutely awesome. Thank you for always coming to watch our videos. Really appreciate it. Please, as I said, like, share, leave me your thoughts, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.